Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I am here to teach you adjectives. So let's see what are adjectives. An adjective is a word tell more about a noun or pronoun. It gives additional information about what the noun or pronoun refers to. It is usually comes right before the noun or pronoun, that is modifies. We can use more than one adjective to describe a noun or pronoun, and when a noun comes before another noun, it becomes adjective. It means uh, if I say that camel is taller than a dog, so camel is a noun and dog is also noun. So which word is telling more about these two nouns? That is taller. Taller is giving information about a camel, that how a camel is. So the taller word is an adjective. So let's see some examples to identify adjective. First, we will see some fill in the blanks so that you can match the sentences easily. The first is, we saw dash animal at zoo. Here you have to fill much or many. So if we use much here, so the sentence will be like this: we saw much animals at the zoo. But no, it is the wrong sentence. So let's try to use many. We saw many animals at the zoo. It is the perfect answer. So here we have to use many. The next one is, how dash oranges did you put in the box? So here you have to use many or much? Many. And the sentence will be, how many oranges did you put in the box? If you use much, so the sentence will be like this: how much oranges did you put in the box? But here we have to use many. The next is, there isn't dash sugar in my coffee. Many sugar or much sugar? Much. There isn't much sugar in my coffee. The next is, I have packed dash bottles of water. I have packed many bottles of water or much bottles of water? I have packed many bottles of water. The next is, I didn't get dash sleep last night. So here we have to use much. So the answer will be much. I didn't get much sleep last night. The next is, how dash fruit do you eat in an average day? So here if we adjust many, so the sentence will be like this: how many fruits do you eat in an average day? Or if we use much, so the answer will be, how much fruit do you eat in an average day? So which word suitable more in this sentence? That word is much. So let's see the other exercise. So to find adjective in a sentence, we have to ask three questions. Those are, the first one is, what kind of? The second one, how much? And the third one, how many? So let's see the sentences and find the adjective. The first is, this house is bigger than that one. So what kind of house it is? It is a bigger house than that one. So bigger is a adjective here. The next is, the colorful balloon floated over the tree top. So what kind of balloon? A colorful balloon. So colorful is an adjective. The next is the big dog chased the car. What kind of dog? The big dog. So big is a adjective. The next is he is taller than Mr. Hullas. What kind of he is? He is taller than Mr. Hullas. So here taller is an example of adjective. The next is he is a funny little man. What kind of man? A funny and little man. There are two adjectives. The first is funny. What kind of man? Funny. And what kind of man? Little. Funny and little. So there are two adjectives. The next is the green grasshopper is sitting on the flower. So what kind of grasshopper? The green grasshopper. So here the green is an adjective. The next is this is the prettiest dress. What kind of dress? Prettiest. So here prettiest is a adjective, and all superlative degrees like best, intelligent or most, these are all adjective. The next is I lost my most comfortable shoes. What kind of shoes I lost? Comfortable, and most is a superlative degree, so it is also an adjective. Let's see the next examples. The next sentence is this is a 4-foot table. What kind of table? 4-foot table. So here 4-foot is an adjective, and here is another adjective too, that is this, because this is a demonstrative pronoun. So this is also a adjective, because all these demonstrative pronouns, these, that, this, those, all are adjectives. So let's see the next. The next is Daniela is a part-time worker. What kind of worker? Part-time worker. So here part-time is a adjective. The next is this is an all too common error. So this is an demonstrative pronoun, so it will be adjective, and all articles like a, the, an, all are adjectives. So here an is also an adjective. The next adjective in this sentence, that is common. What kind of error? Common error. So let's see the next. The next is beware of green-eyed monster. So what kind of monster? Green-eyed monster. And here's another adjective too, that is the, because the is an article. So let's see the next. The next one is he is cold-blooded man. Cold-blooded man, it means cold-blooded means a person which loves everybody and tries to help everybody. So that is a cold-blooded man. So here cold-blooded is an adjective, and a article, that is a, it is also a adjective. So let's move to the next example. The next is we saw a man eating shark. So it doesn't mean man is eating a shark. It means a shark which eats a man. Like some fishes doesn't harm the people or a human being, and some harms the human being. So that fish will be called as man eating fish. So that's why here man eating shark, because it is the fish which eats the human being or man. So here it is written we saw a man eating shark. So a man-eating shark. What kind of shark? Man-eating. So man-eating is an adjective. And did you find another adjective in this? Yes, an article that is a, which is also a adjective. So let's see the next one. The next is Danny's dog is well behaved. It means Danny's dog. Whose dog? Danny's dog is well behaved. What kind of manner he have? Well behaved. So well behaved is an adjective. The next is you have to be open minded about things. What kind you have to be about things? Open minded. So here open minded is an adjective. Did you find any other adjective? No, here it's only adjective, that is open minded. So we have covered all examples. Thank you guys to see my video till end. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification bell. You will directly reach to my videos.